Not all Kuiper Belt objects stay in their icy distant orbits. Sometimes a collision or the gravitational pull of Neptune can knock one off course, sending it spiraling inward toward the Sun. When that happens, the object becomes a short-period comet, an icy traveler that loops around the Sun every few decades or centuries. These comets, often with orbital periods under 200 years, are some of the most captivating sights in the sky. As they approach the Sun, its heat begins to vaporize the comet's surface, releasing gases and dust in long, glowing tails. These brilliant displays are what we see from Earth, celestial fireworks, trailing across the night sky. One of the most iconic of these is Halley's Comet, which has a period of about 76 Earth years. Its recorded appearances go back to ancient times, tracked by Chinese, Babylonian, and European astronomers alike. Another famous visitor is Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. But unlike most comets, it didn't just pass by. It crashed into Jupiter in 1994, producing the first direct observation of two celestial bodies colliding in our solar system. The impact was spectacular. Pieces of the comet slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere, creating fireballs the size of Earth. Dark scars lingered on the gas giant's surface for months, visible even through amateur telescopes. It was a sobering reminder of the raw, kinetic energy that exists in our cosmic neighborhood. And while Jupiter survived, the event highlighted something critical. Cometary impacts aren't rare. They're part of the natural evolution of solar systems. Some comets come from the Kuiper Belt. Others may originate in the Kuiper-scattered disk, a chaotic outer region beyond the belt. And beyond that, still further out, lies the Oort cloud, a hypothetical shell of icy objects thought to be the source of long-period comets, those with orbits spanning thousands or even millions of years. These icy time capsules are more than just pretty trails of dust and gas. They're all rich in organic molecules, frozen since the birth of the solar system. By studying comets, we may uncover clues about the origins of water on Earth, and even the building blocks of life. But while some comets pass harmlessly by, others raise alarms. Recently, astronomers have tracked near-Earth objects, NEOs, asteroids or comets whose orbits bring them within close range of our planet. One such object, named 2024 Y4, made headlines due to its sudden brightening, which at first suggested it might become the next great naked-eye comet. But then, it disintegrated. Like many fragile visitors from the outer solar system, its icy nucleus fractured before it could make a spectacular show. Still, these events remind us of the importance of monitoring the skies, not just for beauty, but for safety. The James Webb Space Telescope plays a surprising role here too. While it's optimized for distant galaxies, Webb's infrared sensors are incredibly sensitive and can detect faint heat signatures from comets, asteroids, and even interstellar objects passing through the solar system. Combined with ground-based telescopes and sky surveys, Webb helps provide a three-dimensional view of cometary dynamics. Where they are, what they're made of, and how they're changing over time. We now know that comet tails aren't always alike. Some comets produce twin tails, one of gas, the other of dust. Others develop ion tails that react to the solar wind and magnetic fields, stretching for millions of kilometers. Each comet is like a unique signature, a wandering relic from the dawn of time. And just as they come, they go, sometimes silently, sometimes with a flash of brilliance, but always they leave behind wonder and questions. What lies in the vast reaches beyond the Kuiper Belt? How many more icy visitors are waiting to enter our skies? Could a future comet pose a real danger to Earth? Or could it one day bring us answers about life beyond? At Infinity Beyond, We explore these questions not to frighten, but to understand, to appreciate our fragile place in a dynamic and sometimes unpredictable cosmos. So next time you see a streak of light across the night sky, remember, it might be more than just a shooting star. It could be a messenger from the frozen edge of our solar system, a ghost of formation, lighting up the sky in farewell. Stay curious, because the universe is always sending signals, and now with tools like Webb, we're finally starting to receive them.